Good morning, sir. My name is Alan Sivilingam. Today I want to present about Lab 2, Z transformation. In this lab, we got two parts, part 1 and part 2. The objective is to understand the basic digital signal, frequency, characteristic, and analysis. The second was to understand and verify the basic concept of Z transform and the relationship between the system transfer function and the frequency response. And the third one is to understand the effects of the zero and poles, the system transfer function, and the frequency response. In the procedure, the first question is to calculate the value of the system 1, system 2, and system 3. And this is the calculation for system 1. The value of the Hn is 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, and 0.2. The same goes to the system 2. The answer is 0.2. And then for the system 3, we will get the answer 1 over 1 plus 0.5 z negative 1. And for the B, this is the code for the system 1, system 2, and system 3 for Z part 1. And the first one is the 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 is the numerical value for the coefficient, and then the A1 is the denominator coefficients. And then the root 1 and root 1 underscore 1 and root 1 denominator and root 1 numerator is the function for the roots. And we run, we will get the answer for root 1 denominator and numerator, and then the denominator value is negative 0.5, and the numerator for R3 is 0, and for the C we should get the value of Z, P, and K. This is the code for system 1, system 2, and system 3. We use the same coding from the part 1B, and we add the code to get the value of Z, P, and K. We run, and we will get the Z, P value and the K value here. And then for Z part 2, we should plot the graph for the zero and poles. When we run, we will get the zero and the poles graph, and this is for each one, and this one is for H2, and this one is for H3. And for Z part 3, we should get the magnetic response also, and then the normalized frequency, and then the Z plane plot H1. And this is the graph for magnetic response, and then Z plot, and for H1, H2, and then this one for the H3. And this one is code for to get the impulse response, magnetic response, and the Z plane in one graph. So the n value equals to 1024. So when we will run, we will get the impulse response, magnetic response, and then the Z plane plot for H1, H2, and H3. And then the last part 2, and 2b, the Z part 4. This we will get the we will use the filter 1 and filter 2 for the normalized frequency, and then the H1 we will get the answers in the negative region. The zeros are the in negative region, and then the for H2 the zeros are in the both sided, negative and the positive. And that's all from me. Thank you, sir.